Hello, gorgeous. Ever wonder why some women seem to just attract abundance, luxury, and money? It's almost like luxury and money is actually attracting them. Truth is, I was one of these girls. I used to be the type of girl that always went for the cheapest option, the off brand soap, getting things on sale only. I used to only actually buy vegan ice cream, even though I'm vegan, when it was on sale. I don't know who else can relate to this, but I was living in a lack mindset. And whenever you live in a lack mindset, you are repellent to money. I made these simple changes that I'm going to outline in this video, and my life went from lack to abundance. I became the type of woman that abundance was attracted to, that opportunities were attracted to, that success and money was attracted to. Stay tuned for the tips in this video, and you are going to transform your life from lack and scarcity to abundance, magnetism, and opportunities. Stay tuned. Now, we all know that feminine energy is magnetic and attractive. That's why I've outlined 5 key feminine habits that I started incorporating that 10x'd my feminine energy and really allowed me to step into this next version of myself, the self that was more confident, more abundant, the habits that really helped me become the type of person that abundance was attracted to. Let's get into it. Habit number 1, receiving mode. And I love receiving mode. It's one that feels so good to me in my body somatically, and I want to share it with you. For me, receiving mode is a formula. It is being open plus appreciation equals receiving mode. So, step one, obviously, of receiving mode is being open. When you open up your field, open up your energy, just even opening up your mindset to the possibilities, to what's showing up in your 3D reality, you are telling your subconscious mind, God, the universe, that you are ready to receive more. Just even setting the intention, setting the stage, changing your energy and how you show up, more will come to you. There are so many times in our lives, and please comment down below if you can relate, where we block our blessings. Someone compliments us and we say, oh, this old thing, it was nothing. Someone tries to open the door for you and you say, oh, no, thank you. I don't need that. This is you blocking your blessings. This is not you staying open. This is not you learning how to receive. Always say yes to things that can help you. You are worthy of support. You are worthy of help. And every time you say yes to something that's for you and you willingly receive and you are open to receive, you are growing in your capacity for your receiving mode. Part 2 of the receiving mode formula is appreciation. And appreciation is that secret magical sauce that you want to start incorporating that will literally make you the most magnetic person in the room. Once you've officially mastered staying open, keeping yourself in a state of appreciation is so important. It is you somatically feeling on the inside how grateful you are, how in awe you are of everything around you. And when you walk around physically staying open and staying in a state of appreciation, whether if that someone smiles at you on the street, whether if you get a discount when you go shopping, whether that's a friend texting you or calling you out of nowhere just to check in on you, keep appreciation. The longer you can stay in a state of appreciation throughout the day, the stronger your receiving mode will be. And the longer that you stay in receiving mode, the more that you'll notice that things just come to you. People just come to you, opportunities just come to you, and everyone just can't help but be around you. This is so important. Drop a comment down below if you've ever felt this shift in your life and if you're going to commit to staying into receiving mode. Habit number 2 is dressing more feminine. And I know for some people this may seem like a frivolous little thing, but when you are really dressing more feminine and how that is for you, meaning being more put together, being more intentional with what you wear, truly loving what you wear and showing up as your elevated self, you are telling yourself, your own subconscious mind, your nervous system, and everyone else around you that you are embodying worth. You are worthy of being dressed up solely for yourself, not for anyone else. You are worthy of showing up as authentic as you want. You are worthy of getting as dressed up as you want because every day in your life is a special occasion. Every day in your life is worthy of celebrating. And when you have the chance to celebrate yourself and to showcase your worth to yourself, everyone else can feel that. And let's be honest, we live in a very visual society. How you dress sets the tone to how other people treat you. Sure, your energy can influence also a lot how people treat you, but what they see first is your appearance. So when your appearance says, I took the time to take care of myself today, I take the time to take care of myself every day, people will treat you accordingly. Here's a little actionable tip that I want to throw in for you guys today. Do something today to elevate your look. Take a little more time in the morning. That could be putting on even lip gloss, putting on an earring, maybe dabbing on some concealer, maybe even putting on an outfit that you would save for a special occasion for now. Show yourself that you are worthy of putting in the effort, that you are worthy of dressing more feminine, dressing in your next level upgraded self, and see how different you feel, and in turn, see how other people treat you differently. Habit number 3, operating in overflow. And if I had to describe operating in overflow to you guys, I would say that this is partaking in self care and daily acts of pleasure. The reason why it's so important for us as feminine beings to really be in our self care is women, we need to be in overflow. We are not men, we do not have their testosterone. We need love, oxytocin daily to regulate ourselves, to fill ourselves up. So, daily self care is a necessity. When a woman is in her overflow, that is when she is actually most giving to other people. Women should not be giving from their depletion. When a woman is filled up and in her overflow, she has been taking care of herself, other people can feel it. Women are energetic. When a woman is unhappy, guess what? Most people are unhappy. But when a woman is radiant, everyone else feels good. And you can see this. Walk around in your best feeling state and see how many people just want to look at you, just want to smile at you as soon as you walk past the street. The same thing goes with our pleasure. Pleasure is a regulator for our nervous system as well. It helps us be resistant to anxiety. It helps us rewire our subconscious mind, showing us that we are worthy of doing things every day just for the sake of feeling good. It takes us out of the paradigm of being of the achieving paradigm and allows us to truly embody our being essence. And the being essence is naturally feminine. It is so like nature. It is worthy. It is beautiful just for being the way that it is. So when you partake in both self care and pleasure, you are then projecting out into your mind, into your reality. I am worthy of love every day. I am worthy of pleasure every day. And everyone else around you, again, because your external reality is a reflection of your internal, that will start reflecting to you. I know personally, when I started my pleasure journey, it was hard for me to really justify partaking into something that didn't have an outcome or had something tangible to it. The more that I partaked in pleasure, the more that I realized people started seeking me out. Because even with women, a lot of women and men, they can't connect to their own pleasure. So when you see a woman full of pleasure, even just imagine a woman full of pleasure walking down the street, you want to be close to her. So imagine how that makes money feel about you. Money is a flirty energy. And when you feel good, when you are in your pleasure, when you are in your worth and you are flirting with life, money wants to flirt with you. This is actually something that I help with my one on one clients. I help women step into their next level identity upgrade and truly anchor in their feminine energy. If this is something that you're having issues connecting to, feel free to check the link below and I would love to help you out. Habit number 4, keeping a tidy space. This one is so important and integral because think about it. If you are not a good steward to what God has already given you, to what your creator has already given you, why would you think that he would want to give you more? If you are not honoring the things that you have, that money has given to you, that God has given to you through money, why would you think more would want to be attracted to you? You need to learn to honor and respect money in all of its forms. The money that's coming to you into the future, the money that's circulating now, and the ways that you have used money in the past. When you are cleaning up after yourself and keeping a tidy space, you are telling yourself that you respect and honor and you are grateful for the money that has been circulated for you in the past, that you are appreciative of what you have now. You are able to show yourself and show your mind that you are worthy of living in a clean, tidy space. You are allowing energy to circulate through your environment. Who here can relate to this? When you have a dirty space, you're more likely to be anxious. It's harder for you to think. You don't want to spend time there. You likely are depressed. I know when I'm not on my cleaning game, that's when I'm the most depressed. One of the easiest things people can actually do when they're feeling low is to just clean. The act of cleaning in itself and completing something is one, so good for your brain, and two, it literally opens up your mind because your mind isn't getting distracted by all the busyness and the dirtiness that's all around you. The second part of this is really important would be from the clutter aspect. When you are holding on to things that you don't need, things hold energy. When you have a bunch of things in your life that is holding energy, that is blocking you from the new coming in. It is so important when there are things that don't fit you anymore, that are maybe a little bit broken or frayed, you get rid of them, or even things that don't feel like you. If something is in your environment and it does not feel like you anymore, it is blocking you from getting you to that next level self. Get rid of it. Use it as a chance to donate, to give to someone else, and that feels so good. Or if you need to throw it away just to completely get rid of it and rid yourself of that energy, do it. You are saying to God, to your subconscious mind, hey, I am open and I am ready for the new. That's why so many women, when they're calling in their partner, they get rid of half the things in their closet because they're signaling to themselves, I'm ready for the new to come in. I am ready for my man to come in. And you can easily do the same. Habit number 5 that really started attracting abundance and money in my life are incorporating routines and rituals. Why this is so important is because this is a way for us to really romanticize the structures in our life. And I know what you're thinking, Ashley, structure, isn't that masculine energy? And yes, it is. But when you are able to take a masculine structure and set it up from a devotional space, you are telling yourself that you can protect yourself. You are that containment for yourself. And in turn, that will make you feel more safe in your body, and that will make your feminine energy more easily flow throughout your system. It is important that we balance masculine and feminine energy. If you are a feminine essence being, there are going to be times when you need to step into your masculine energy. And when you do it from a place of love, from a place of devotion, when you romanticize your routines, make them rituals in that effect, you enjoy it so much more. It's good for your brain, it's good for your dopamine. And again, it allows your feminine energy to flow even more. For me personally, I have a pretty extensive nighttime routine. That is such a precious time for me to connect to myself. I give myself a shower with a nice shower bomb, and it really just grounds me. I'm using my diffuser. I'm getting very sensual. I use my red light therapy. I use all of my skincare. And that is signaling to myself that I am worthy of being cared for and I am worthy of setting myself up for the following day. I can pray, I can journal, I can meditate. And me coming back to me and setting me up for success is one of the greatest gifts that I can give myself. And I wish that for you all as well. Drop a comment down below if you are going to start setting up structures and routines into your daily practice. And let me know what ritual calls out the most to you. Is it a morning ritual? Is it a nighttime ritual? Is it something that you're checking yourself in throughout the day? Maybe a to-do list. Incorporate these simple things and watch how you romanticizing these structures in your life really allow your feminine energy to flow, allow that abundance to flow to you, and in turn, allow more money to flow to you. These 5 habits in my life have totally transformed me from a lack rushing mindset to an abundance mindset. It literally all starts with your energy first. I was watching a Bob Proctor video, and he even says mindset and energy are 90%. Only 10% of your life is actually strategy. So when you change how you think about yourself and money, how you feel about yourself and money, it really transforms everything. For me in my life now, I'm meeting more people than ever that just want to give me opportunities. I get to go to luxury events. I've gotten vacations paid for that were completely free. I've aligned with people that want to support me in my business. I've been attracting clients. I've been working on creating courses and really able to connect with my ideal clients. I've even created a free Activate Your Inner Goddess affirmation track. Find it in the links down below, and I would love for you to try that. Something like that really rewires your subconscious mind. And you can listen to it every morning and evening to really activate your goddess energy. I also book clients, link down below if you are interested in working with me. Again, I really just help you step into that next level identity upgrade. Anchor in your feminine energy and turn on that magnetism. Ladies, when your magnetism is turned on, your life gets so much better. You are meant to live in flow. You are meant to attract so much more. And if this resonates with you, feel free to reach out. I would love to help you in any way I possibly can. Anyway, babes, it's been amazing speaking with you today. I love you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.